Hey, Daily Quarantine Challenge! Solid entertainment here, but what's the solid and who am I entertaining?
You didn't get it, that was a Vsauce reference. Good old daddy Vsauce. Today, we're doing science experiments! Okay, first experiment, we're gonna put things you shouldn't put in a microwave in a microwave. First thing, raw egg. There we go, it's in. The egg is cracked a little bit, but it's good. Toilet paper. Will it explode? Oh, why is nothing happening? These things are just invulnerable. Just please, aluminum foil. Go. Come on. You know you want to explode? Just do it! Oh my god! Holy crap! Alright, next up is a plate with a metal rim. Put in there. And go. Oh, there's some sparks! Here you go! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Whoa! 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 Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, we're back for the second experiment and we're doing the classic volcano eruption. First things first, we're mixing the Nako with some Kaho. A full spoon in there, and it's full right there. We'll take a mixing spoon.
There we go. It's nice and mixed up. Chop them up. Alright.
With some water right here. Okay, and let's see the volcanic eruption in 3, 2, 1. Is this gonna make a mess? Oh my god. Oh, it's messy everywhere now. Whoa, it's so red. Oh, it's like bubbly too. Thank god there's like a rim to protect it or it would be flooding everywhere. But red stuff is just splattering around my desk. But that is awesome right there. Got some ASMR going. Listen to those sounds. Woo. Yeah, that's not disappointing at all. That's pretty cool. Okay, time for the next experiment. For the third and last experiment of the day, I have frozen 3 water bottles in the freezer, and we're gonna be ice bending with them. After I left them for 2 hours inside of the freezer, I grab them gently and bring them upstairs. This thing's still going, by the way. It's been an hour since I first dropped in. Okay, so I have no idea if this will work. This is my first time trying this, but if it does, this is what should happen.
Learn how to freeze flowing water the instant it's poured from the bottle below freezing. All it takes from this point is a sharp jolt to the bottle, and you can see the water flash freezes to ice right in the palm of your hand.
So hopefully when I sit this down, it's gonna turn to ice. I'm being gentle here, trying not to turn them all into ice. 3, 2, 1. Well, I'm not sure if that worked. Oh, look at that. That's ice, right? That's ice. Okay, it may not have worked just how I wanted, but we'll test it by trying to water bend. Here we go. Wow, that's awesome. Come on. Where's the ice? Where's the ice? Hey, some ice. Alright. I think that's gonna be it for this video, everyone. The last experiment may not have worked, but the first two certainly did. So if you enjoyed, like and comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.